Welcome to Money Pit Boating. I'm Coots. Mark's on his way from pooping again. What he doesn't know is yesterday I cleared out a log jam that's been blocking our path for the last couple months.
Whoa.
So as soon as he gets down here, we're going exploring in some new territory. This tree has been blocking our path for months. So while Mark's busy, I'm gonna take care of it. But currently, I left the motor on and I'm running into the shore. Before I started filming, I could tug it a little bit with my hands and I broke it free of something. So I think if I just put it in reverse a little bit, I can tow it out of our way. Oh yeah, she's free floating now. All right. I'd like to be able to turn the boat a little bit. Oh, this is why this is a two-man path. Gotta move it. I'm gonna pull up alongside it now and try to pull it some more. All right, let's do that. Gotta turn the other way. Oh, we're making real progress now. All right, that is clear. Hey! Hey, we did it! We passed through the bridge.
Whoa.
Finally made it. That's the first time that this has been open. Mark and I have been wanting for years to go up that route. Since he's not here today, I'm gonna use a little bit of self-control, a lot of self-control, and I'm not gonna explore that without him. I wanna share that experience with the big old chunk. My day's not done, but now I wanna check the main path. It doesn't look like I'm gonna be as happy. Oh man. Oh man. So I think I hit the end of the line.
Boo!
There's no getting through that today. We cleared out a path and now we got a train coming. Going underneath the train is a good omen, so I'm excited for tomorrow. It means my trip with Mark is gonna go awesome!
Today we're going out exploring because yesterday Coots said he freed up a bunch of logs, but I don't believe him, not one bit. We got the kayaks on board for the first time, so we might be able to get to new grounds where we've never been.
Here we are coming up to the bridge where I cleared out that jam yesterday. I already spilled the beans and let Mark know about my top secret mission. I don't think he believes me.
Nope. Although we're turning the corner, there's still trees in there, but it does look like there's a path. Is it a clear path straight through?
I went right through it.
Did you hit anything?
I would definitely take it slow.
Yeah. Coots did some work yesterday. I like it. All right, so we're getting to the point. Are we gonna go down there with this? This is gonna be awesome.
We could make it up there with this, but the other way is definitely jammed. We should go up there and see if it's worth kayaking beyond it, since we have those with us today.
Dude, I want to turn left real bad.
We're going to. I say we go and check out the thing that's gonna stop us first.
This guy's talking, I'm not listening.
I'm pretty sure there's a huge log jam down there too. On the left is where I got stuck on the bank yesterday. Idiot. Maybe I was wrong when I said I could squeeze through. Maybe I can power through. Don't get stuck without Mark. Come on. Come on. Push through, baby. There you go. Oh. This is starting to get stupid. There we go. We did it!
That branch up top's okay?
Yeah, can't you see the fresh break? Oh, cripes. This is a little lower than I thought. Break. Oh, that's not, I meant like break, like stop. How much clearance did that get in here? Oh, good amount of clearance.
Whoa.
Dude, look at how many trees there are.
Yeah, but on the left, it's pretty clear.
You're right. Wasn't behind it like just jam after jam after jam?
I think it might have all gotten pulled into this one.
Pretty mega jam.
Yeah. Here we are again at the big old log jam. It looks workable. Eventually, you know, a solid day's worth of work on it.
I'm saying for kayaks.
Oh,
We could make a couple key cuts and maybe get through.
of course we come out in our slippers and sandals combo.
I didn't even think about that. That actually
There
worked
we
out.
are.
That's not bad. This is pretty cool, not gonna lie. My Coots is probably gonna make this look way more graceful than I look, but
All right, look at us. We're in deployables. And we've had them for 20 years.
Yeah, longer than we had that.
Yeah. All right, let's roll.
We decided since we got the kayaks, let's just check out and see how far we think we could make it with the other boat.
Dude, I think we can go faster on these things than the other
I
boats.
was just gonna say, we're moving like easy. Are my pedals right side up? How do you kayak?
We'd be yakking. Feels like I'm going 1,000 miles an hour.
know.
We're coming up to the new area.
Here we go. Cross the threshold.
Yeah.
New ground.
What's up?
Oh, a huge log jam just ahead.
Oh, I didn't even look that far.
Oh, this is difficult.
What are you doing?
Apparently you can't paddle with one hand. Pterodactyl. Yeah, this is another big log jam.
Just go for it, man. Get the speed. Can you see anything past it?
Looks clear past this spot right here. Oh.
Coots is going for it, apparently. You think you can get through?
I think so.
You good?
Yeah.
What about that one going across, like right in front of you now?
That might be an issue. I might be able to cantilever it open. Can we do it? I think I can do it. Oh yeah, we're getting through this. Oh yeah.
All right, Coots made it, so now I'm gonna try. So far, so bad. You almost want to just like use your hands.
Like a luge shoot.
Yeah. Yeah. Stage one complete. Now I just gotta go through the muck. Look at all the garbage.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Oh, gross.
What was your strategy through this? Just get on the giddy up like this? Do like the thrust with the hips?
Yeah, just a little bit of get up, giddy up, hip thrust.
Thank God I don't have a bad back or anything.
Oh, dude! Oh, I just hurt my back. No!
That's not that bad, I don't think. Yeah, record time.
Look of it. I haven't looked ahead yet. It looks like, yeah, it looks less dangerous than what we just went through.
Dude, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Look at us.
Oh boy, I don't know how we're gonna do this one. It doesn't look bad, it just looks awkward.
Camera's too tall.
Yeah. Oh, and we're through.
All right.
We're both clumsy and awkward in different ways to make this interesting.
Oh, well, no, the current.
It does get a little strong here.
On the road again. The old moonwalking kayaker mug. Coots is over here doing 360s.
Stunting. Looks like we're coming up to another jam. Oh, this might actually be a series of log jams.
Looking like a thick log.
Too narrow, almost a perfect spot.
Just tip like the Millennium Falcon does. Oh, dude, and behind it's even worse. This might be the end of the line.
I don't think it would be too hard to climb over this and then bring the kayak over, but then there's just another impassable log jam right there. Of course, there's a recurring theme of coyote poop on the log. There's Cass Bridge. Then we made this left on the middle branch. And now we are right there. You know where that one house used to have,
Hovercraft?
Yup, that's right there.
I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to just sitting in these kayaks and chilling. This is pretty awesome.
On today's episode, boaters discover kayaks.
How do we upgrade these things?
Right.
Put a mast on the front and then just sail.
Of course, that's where he takes it. I want to get a trolling motor on each side.
That would be awesome too. Yeah, this ain't bad at all, dude. I wonder what the cast path is looking like now that we're kind of like calibrated to what we can kind of get through. Want to get over there?
Yeah, let's check out that other branch.
On the road again.
This ain't half bad.
Going downstream is like you can haul. Dude, this is fun.
Not too bad, yeah. Coming up to the limbo bar.
How low can you go? How the hell did we get through there? I'm going way too fast for this. Oh boy. Come on. You want to just push me? I was only half joking. Why do I feel like I was much lower last time?
Why don't you put your knees inside?
I don't know. You good?
Yeah. Somehow I almost beat you through.
I feel like one of the log jams disappeared. Here's the log jam. I'm gonna try and get some speed. Get on the giddy up and do like the thrust with the hip.
Yeah, just a little bit of get up, giddy up, hip thrust.
It's kind of fun going through all these little obstacles. Come on. Kind of cool because you can use the little like knots on the log, like little grabbers. All right, we are just coming back into the main part of the river by Cass Bridge. It's so awesome turning the corner and then you see our boat anchored. Yeah, these things cook, man.
Yeah, it's not even like killing me or anything.
Yeah, I could see like 10 hours of it sucking, but this ain't bad. Let's see what we got going on here now. Well, I'm definitely not fitting under that. Yeah, this sucks. You wanna get in there and size it up? Well, you look really cool when you slide on over like that. You good?
Yeah, this last little obstacle might be a little bit of a pain. Yeah, buddy.
Why just throw me a line and pull me over? How did you make the turn?
I think I lifted myself up over the thing to your left.
I can't even like get there.
Probably the most difficult maneuver of the day.
If we could just cut this thing right here.
We do have the chainsaws.
Yeah, let me go do that. I got the chainsaw
Where?
in between my legs. That's a wrong. This is not a good idea.
There it goes. There it goes.
I just got soaking wet.
Oh, you gotta take the saw back, don't you?
I was just gonna roll with punches. How in the world did you get through here?
Going sideways like the Millennium Falcon.
Well, this ain't that bad. This one.
That was surprisingly hard part.
Coots weighs less than I do. Then I just added another 20 pounds of a saw. Now that I'm thinking of it, I'm like, I should have brought that thing back. Can I pass it to you?
They just give me the burden.
Well, just to get me over the hump. All right, I just dumped the burden onto Coots. Now I'm gonna try and get on over here. I hope my kayak doesn't snap. I just have visions of the Titanic. Right there, I can feel it. There we go, we're good, we're good, we're good. There we go. Ah, teamwork. Yeah, it looks open for a while.
Yeah.
Turning more corners, getting more open space. I'm digging it. I'm digging it.
That's almost gotta be coyotes, right? It might have been coyote poop on that log.
Coots knows his poop.
You've taught me well.
Dude, I don't think I've ever seen the bottom of the cement pad.
Right.
That water's low.
Well, here we go. I think we came up to our first obstacle that we couldn't make it through in the other boat. Yeah, this one would be a little bit tough to get through in the big boat. We should be able to skate through today, though.
Yeah, that one seems higher than the one that I was struggling on.
Yeah.
This one, it looks like we can get through, but then there's another one that's even higher.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's think about this one.
I'm just trying to think of like strategic cuts we could do that would be really easy. And it's not looking like there's many.
None of them will be bad, but just a million of them. Someone's house is right there and it feels weird.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
That's gonna be way too much work for us to undertake. Huh?
Rolling. Action.
Well, we decided that that's gonna be way too much work for just one day. So we're gonna head back.
But if you want to click on this video right here, check out our...
Where is it?
check out our other adventures. And thanks for watching. Uh-oh. Ooh.